Now we will show you the operation for this machine. Open this board to put the product into this.
好，把气通来，这里就是通气的。
And then put this to the air compressor.
这边是接8号的气管。
This is number eight air pump.
电这里是2个电源要通电啊，2个电源。
And connect these two plug into the power.
啊，然后再把这里2个打开，这里。
And then open this to bottom.
可以了。
Now we will show you how to install labels.
好，拿到标签啊，这个方向好了。
Convert the direction. Put it into this hole.
这开进去也是。
And tighten it well.
用力往里面压。
Place it outside.
第一根滚轮在下面，
The first one down.
然后手压在这个里，它就会动。
Place this and it will move.
拿一条直线出来。
Convert that all the label is in one line. Make it about 2 meters long.
松紧都是顺时针，你看间隙，然后它卡紧的时候，它会响一下。
It will make a sound when it tightens well. And loosen it like this direction.
对齐上下，这里。
To make sure that the label is in one line.
来锁紧，
And lock it well.
这里。再一个先插这个洞。
And put this into the hole to tighten the label.
OK， 好，充电。
Now we will show you how to adjust the label sensor.
加减同时按。
Press these two buttons for about 2 seconds until the light is shining.
按减号。
And now go to here without labels.
按减号。
Click this button,
按一下。
this button.
好，然后再挪到野标位置，也切换就可以了。
And then go to label, and this one without labels.
然后点击单字图标。
Now and click single label dispensing.
出来这么长的话，那就把感应器往上面挪这么多。
Now this label is too long, and then you need to move the label sensor a little up.
然后再点。
And then click single label dispensing again. Now here is
再往上面调一点。
sorter.
大概出来大概2到3个毫米。
Make sure that this label just out about 2 mm. Now it's too long.
这个短了一点。
Now this is a little short, and just move it a little down.
OK， 大概就这样子。
Now this position is right. About label dispensing just about 2 mm is okay. For this, it just adjust the labeling position, just left and right side. This adjust the labeling product high, this side. And for this, you just adjust the labeling left and right side.
这么